Mr. No man people, sometimes I hear certain things I say me for do my face. Yeah. Mr. Because we talk about Unforgettable Kay and Tenn. Me do a video a while ago about the something never turn out right. Anyways, Unforgettable Kay and sister Tenn no want her. Imagine you is a wife and different woman are call you and a threaten you over the man where you're married. That makes sense? The man did will take your phone and try say, my girl come have wife. You know, them man nowadays no respect someone who buy all who way in forget a man and the man still no want to know. Tenn don't want Unforgettable Kay. He just want the sweets. And it's evident. Like literally like 2 days ago, I say Unforgettable Kay do a little surprise birthday or something. And the excitement of the man do look fake. Sometimes you can know when a man don't want a woman, you know. It can show in a them body language. Now before you come here and talk about love people business, make sure say if you know say if people don't care them business on the internet more know about people business. One time Unforgettable Kay used to come on the internet and talk about man this, man and that. And then find out say she have man and she proposed to the man and she do this and she do that. She do the most. So sometimes people don't want to influence, you know, if you tap look up to certain people for influence, you know, because what they must speak against is what they are doing. Some of this woman confidence is so low, they will accept anything from a man. If a man give them shit for them, then me. If a man come to them and suggest say, yo B, you know, say want me to do a threesome, they accept it. Because it's like them blind and them fooled by love. Some of them don't need to wise up, man. Wise up. Some of them are too grown to be going through the same situation that y'all were going through when y'all were like 20, 21 or probably 18, 15. It's wise up, man. And top company internet come ball over, man. Especially man them. You not that man embarrassing, no? But before me even out the video, people who follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube because I have lots of drama coming. We get me to 1K subscribers on YouTube. Yeah. Unforgettable Kay, man. Not do you don't ugly. You can get any man one want. Every day on the company in the ball over, man. I want to know. You tap care on business on the internet, man. That's like you see, if you ever come in my comment section and talk about this and kiss out my career. And don't come in my comments because I know also man to stay. Yeah, man. When if you telling the influencers them say, when you see certain things that I'm do, it don't look good. Like Tenn don't want Unforgettable Kay, and it's evident. Him only wants her for what she can give. For the little tops and roses them. That's literally what he wants her for. And it shows. And the fact that Unforgettable Kay proposed to Tenn, it shows a lot. It shows a lot. No woman no tap go down for no nigga propose to man. A man for propose to. What do no man?